This tutorial provides an introduction to those statements of case which may be filed in addition to the core statements of case discussed in Tutorial 2, Choice of Court and Commencement of Proceedings, and Tutorial 3, Responding to a Claim. The drafting of different types of statement of case is discussed in detail in the drafting tutorials. Statements of case used to be known as pleadings. Additional claims. A party may seek to commence an additional claim where he seeks to bring a claim against an existing or third party to proceedings. In effect, an additional claim is any claim other than the claim by the claimant against the defendant, and may include, for example, a counterclaim by a defendant against a claimant, and a claim by a defendant against a third party for a contribution, indemnity, or other remedy. The rules are such as to ensure counterclaims and other additional claims are managed conveniently and effectively. An additional claim may be made against the existing claimant and other party to the proceedings, or a third party not currently involved in the proceedings. The remedy sought may include an indemnity, a contribution, or some other remedy. An indemnity entitles a party, usually a defendant, to recover any sum for which he is liable from a third party. A contribution is a partial indemnity. The party pursuing the additional claim is generally referred to as the Part 20 claimant. Prior to commencing an additional claim, the intended Part 20 claimant should consider whether he needs to comply with the practice direction on pre-action conduct and protocols, or any applicable pre-action protocol. If he has yet to comply, the court will expect him to do so where possible.